Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. I'm so happy we are in a new month, and happy new month to you. Another Tuesday is here, and like always, we will glean from knowledge, wisdom, and things that pertain to us, achieving our aims and becoming better than we have, ever been. So it's good to be here. Let me first of all welcome those who are here for the first time, and also let you know that our programs are built one on the other. So I always encourage that you watch previous programs if you haven't, so you will be able to follow through what we are doing. Last week, we talked about things that are important, and it's a way of us, prioritizing things so that we don't major on the minors and then leave the primary things undone. Today, I want you to know also that we are going to touch something that is very important, and most people, especially in leadership, and which is what we are, developing here, so that everybody will have the leader in you just emerge. And it's very important we know certain things and that we need to do and things that we don't have to do, because many leaders fail because they do not know when, how to do stuff, and what to do at what time. Today, we'll look at the whole issue of delegation. On delegation, why do we have to delegate people to do things? Yes, because we cannot do everything. And because we cannot do all things, there is the need to delegate. It is always important that you have people who are trustworthy, people who are competent, people who can really match up or stand up to the task. And those are the people that you can delegate responsibilities and, things to do. And once it is a delegation, then it means you should give proper instructions, guidance, and how things should be done according to you who is the supervisor or the person giving the delegation. And it is very important that we understand another reason why we need to delegate. Because when we delegate, we give people opportunity to also get their hands on board, and they will begin to understand the process and the mission even better. You cannot raise people to be able to do things with you or, like you or, in a team if you don't delegate. You need to give that opportunity so people will get their hands in and they would also have a feel of what it is and understand things better. Delegation is very, very important because when we delegate, we also reduce the pressure on leadership. Because leadership, if you are not careful, you will think you have to carry everything on your head. You have to take responsibility for everything, but that is not the reason or the essence of leadership. Leadership is supposed to get team around it and keep doing stuff. So when you delegate, you reduce the pressure. I mean, today there are so many leaders who are under so immense pressure because they don't delegate, because they don't see the need to have other people do things with them, for them, and also alongside them. It is very, very important that we delegate, as that would also make the pressure of leadership reduce on you. Also, when we delegate, we make time to, major on things that are pressing and that are related to your primary leadership role. So there are certain things that team members can do, assistants can do, and you don't have to be doing that always. So you delegate those things, because by doing so, then you would have time to look up to look to resolve other, issues that are primarily to be, dealt with by you. The power of delegation frees you and makes you a good leader. Delegation will help you to accomplish more in your team, in your company, on your job. If you are a leader, I want you to know your team is there to support you, but they cannot do much if you don't allow them to. And you can allow them through the delegation. There is power in delegation. Do not be afraid to delegate. And what do you have to delegate? You delegate things that are within the reach and the responsibility of people. You don't have to delegate what is your primary responsibility to do. If you do that, then you are calling for trouble because it is not a delegate's job. When you get someone who can do the job, you give them an opportunity. Do not delegate discipline. Don't delegate discipline. If somebody commits an offense and there should be some disciplinary measures, you have to take that. And don't play favorites. In delegation, it's not about favorites. It is about competence. It is about improvement. It is about getting people to do more and gain more access. So never choose favorites when it comes to delegation. And do not delegate the making of policies to subordinates. You, the primary leader, should be doing that. I hope these things would be helpful to you. If you just join us, this is today's family program, and we are here every Tuesday to encourage you with, information that helps you in relating with other people and especially to bring the leader in you out. And today we are looking at the issue of delegation. We have said that it is important we delegate because when we delegate, we are able to achieve more. When we delegate, it frees the leaders to, take care of things that are solely their responsibility. And also because of pressure that is on leadership, when you delegate, you release some of the pressure and you make yourself, able to work in a more balanced atmosphere. We have said that we do not delegate taking of policies. We do not delegate disciplinary actions, and you should know what to delegate and what not to delegate. There are hundreds more that could be said, but because of time, I will finish here. But then I want you to know that we are here for you. So if you have any questions or you have any contributions that will make this program better, please feel free, share with us, and we will gladly, update and use it or provide you with answers should there be questions. And we are so happy that you are here. Please invite others to watch this program with you. Share the link and let this, information get to as many people as possible. This has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher. Until we see you again next week, same time on the same channel, take care of yourself and remember, you can delegate in order to make your work better. Take care. Bye-bye.